Even though the previous part was funny, that's the exact situation of customers who believe in Maruti for its service network and mileage. Maruti Suzuki Baleno is one of the best selling cars in India. The Made in India Baleno has been crash tested by the Latin NCAP. And again this time, the Maruti never disappointed us and managed to follow the legacy of its sibling by scoring disappointing 0 star. The crash tested model was fitted with 2 airbags as standard. The famous hatchback scored 8 points for the adult occupants, and for the child occupants it's even poor 8.36, which is only 70%, 30.75 points for the pedestrian protection and 3 points for the safety assist. It's unfortunate to have another 0 star car from Maruti Suzuki which keeps on performing worst in terms of safety, and if companies like Tata Motors improve their service quality, they can harvest the yield from these poor performing companies. On the other hand, as the largest and number one brand of the country with millions of loyal customers, Maruti should react now and improve its safety features. It's kind of betraying someone who have faith in you. Choosing your favorite car is your will, but keep the safety as priority. Thanks for watching.